I want to discuss about another topic, and that is how to check logarithms of number. Very briefly, I will explain to you how logarithms of number are being checked and the essence of it. When checking logarithm of number, especially natural number with base 10, you usually have two parts of the logarithm, and that is the part called the mantissa and the other part called the integer or characteristic. The logarithm, for example, when you are given a logarithm of log, let's say log of 3,514, we were told that it is equal to 3.5453 when you check it from the logarithm table. Now, this is called the integer or characteristic, while this one is called the mantissa. So we have the integer and the mantissa. Then how do we get this characteristic and how do we obtain the mantissa? That is what I want to explain to you. The misconception that most students are having about this is that they were only told that to obtain this characteristic, they have to shift this point, and the numbers of times they shift the point gives them the characteristic. Well, it is right to some extent, but the actual reason why these three happen to be the characteristic here is this. You will observe that when this number is converted to standard form, the power of 10 is going to be 3. What do I mean? If you are to convert it to standard form, that is going to be 3.514 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 3. So you can observe from here that the power of 10 is 3. So that is how we come about the characteristic. For the mantissa, you now check the logarithm of 35 under 1, difference of 4. You go to your logarithm table, you will see a column that contains the numbers, and you see the other column which contain the logarithm. You go to the logarithm table, you look at 35 under 1, difference of 4. So, and that will give us 5453. So that is how the mantissa is being obtained. I want you to take note of that. Now, what if you have something like logarithm of 0.3514? How do we get the characteristic? This is how the characteristic is being obtained. You make sure you convert this to standard form. After converting to standard form, whatever the power of 10 is, that is the characteristic. For example, 0.3514 will be equal to 3.514 multiplied by 10 raised to the power minus 1. So you can see from here that the power of 10 there is minus 1. That means the integer will be minus 1, and you write it as bar 1. So the mantissa still remains the same. The mantissa will give us 5453. So that is how you obtain that. So when you are looking for logarithm of any number, have it at the back of your mind that when you convert that number to standard form, the power of 10 will give you the characteristic, while the mantissa is the value of the number you get